What's up, guys? Chooch back with another video. Today we're looking at this case right here. Check this thing out. This is the new, what is this? The 805 Infinity mid-tower ATX case right here by Inwin, and this thing is $269 just for the case. But look at this shit. Would that not be sick in any setup? Look at that. It looks like literally. It looks like it goes all the way back. I don't know how they did that effect. It looks like it goes like the full depth of the case with the lights on the side. See that? It's pretty sick. I don't know if they have this on Amazon right now, but they got it at Micro Center. It's the ROG. It's pretty sweet. I don't know. I think it's like full RGB, so you could probably set it on a stable color if you wanted it to like match your setup or something. That's pretty badass. Check this out. All the 3D printers. Just throwing that little quick video up for y'all. It's a sweet case right there.